The SIG Sauer P230 is a small, semi-automatic pistol that uses .32 ACP or .380 auto ammunition. This pistol was designed by SIG Sauer in Eckernförde, Germany. In 1985, it began being imported into the United States by SIG Arms. In 1996, this model was replaced by the P232. The design and function of the P230 use a simple fixed barrel configuration with a straight blowback system. This pistol is known as a well-built firearm and competes with the Walther PPK. With its relatively slim slide and frame, it can be carried in an ankle holster or under a bulletproof vest.